What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Airborne in the house, dropping you guys the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news and updates. Today is February 6th, 2022. And in today's live stream video, we're going to be going over a couple things. We're going to be going over the Bitcoin weekly candle close that we just had. Very bullish. The whole entire crypto market just passed $2 trillion again, which is, again, bullish. And then lastly, we're going to go over some of the Gala games that have been messed around with today. It's pretty interesting. Kind of caught my attention, yesterday. I didn't FOMO in. It was up 51% yesterday. It's down a little bit, which is, not surprising and whatnot because it pumped so hard. But there's a couple games I want to, go through with you guys. It's pretty interesting. So we'll just jump right in. Thank you guys for all joining tonight. Strika, what's going on? Josh, how's it going, buddy? Six Fig coming on tonight? No, he's cooking Chinese food with his buddy. So he's not coming on tonight. So yeah, I tried. I know I've been wanting to do some TA. We haven't had a stream. I don't think we did one this past week. So hopefully this week we'll try to get him, or we'll get something set up. I don't know. All right, so let's jump into the current market right now. So market's doing pretty good right now. We are up about 1.15% in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's crushing it. Up 1.63%, sitting at $42,273 right now. ETH's down a tiny bit, only 0.13%, sitting at $3,023. Let's see, Cardano's up 0.73%. XRP's up about 3.53%. Shiba Inu up 28.57%. I don't know. I don't know what happened, if it was just ready to break out or what, but SHIB's up today. Top gainers, like I just said, SHIB's up 28%, Harvest Finance up 12.96%, Axie Infinity's up about 12.1%, Loopring's up 11%, Clover Finance, Doge is up 6.52%. That's good for the miners out there, which is I have one Doge mini miner, so it's not much per day, but obviously as the token price goes up, that's good for me. Losers, Gala, which I just said, not surprised that it's down 12.74%, sitting at 31 cents. It had a massive 51% pump to the upside yesterday. Numeraire's down about 10%. Render, Ampleforth. But yeah, majority of the market's pretty green today. Today is February 6th. It's National Frozen Yogurt Day, Bob Marley's birthday, British Yorkshire Pudding Day, National Chopsticks Day, National Lame Duck Day, Pay a Compliment Day, Pork Rind Appreciation Day, Ronald Reagan Day, Time to Talk Day, and Waitangi Day. Strika, can you tell me anything about that? Even though I know you're Aussie, but too bad Lagatha isn't here. Get ready as we take a journey into New Zealand's riveting past. I have no idea what that is. Marcos, National Rash Cream Day too, bro. Yeah, cool. All right, crypto bubbles. Top 100 coins, like I just said, SHIB's up, Axie, Loopring, Gala's down, DeFi chain, never heard of that one, but that's up 13.1%. Theta Fuel up about 9.2%. Let's just take a look at my favorites that we got going on. VGX down 2%. It's still hovering around that $2 mark, $1.99 right now. Bitcoin is up 1.4%. Like I said, we had that pump to about 42,479, at least according to this chart. Cardano's up 0.5%. CKB's only up about 0.1%. Luna's down 3%. What is it at? $55.35. Still great buy right now. Elrond down 0.4%, sitting at $164. So there you guys have it for crypto bubbles. Total crypto market cap. So pretty sure this data isn't always accurate, and I always talk about this. So this is from TradingView. It's saying that the total crypto market cap is 1.89 trillion. Whereas if you go over to CoinGecko, let me refresh it, we're at about, 2 trillion, 20 billion. So we're up 1%. So that's looking good as, overall health of the entire market. We are heading to the upside. Bitcoin dominance still trading sideways a little bit. We're at about 42.17%. Crypto Fear and Greed Index, we're at a 45. We keep going up now. We're heading towards that neutral zone. So we'll see where tomorrow brings. It's a new week, a Monday. Curious how the traditional markets will open up and whatnot. But yeah, we're sitting at a 45. Yesterday, we were at a 37. And as compared to last week, obviously in the last couple months, we've been in extreme fear mode. So just taking a look at the crypto fear and greed index over time here, looking at the 1-year scale, we are coming up. We're at a 45. We haven't been at a 45 since December 22nd. So that's pretty good to see. I mean, we had that, that summer bear trend for the last 3 months, or for about 3 months, and we're going on about 3 months now. And who knows, man? Maybe this is the nice uptick we've all been looking for. So just keep an eye on that. But yeah, we've what is this called? The descending broadening wedge we've been in since we peaked out back in 10th of November here. But a couple days ago, what was this, on the 4th of February? 2 days ago, we finally broke out of that that wedge. And you know what? I don't know. Just keep an eye on that. Same thing with RSI. We're at an all-time low down here in the 22nd of January, and we're slowly breaking out here. This is on the daily timestamp. All right, let's see. Thomas Buckler, Pork Rind Appreciation Day. Yeah. Let's see. Marcos, your wife had 30 million SHIB. She's going well. Nice. Gaming coins had a good run overnight. Yeah, pretty much all the gaming coins. Decentraland, Sand, Axie Infinity. Yeah, they were all doing pretty well. My neighbor Alice is another one. Keep an eye on. I have that on crypto.com, but that's supposed to be, I think, launching here soon. But check out My Neighbor Alice. Not financial advice. I have a little bit of that. All right, let's continue on. Jumping into some Bitcoin tweets, talking about the weekly close that we had, which, this is funny. We closed at 42,420. Come on. It is, it's always like the 420.69, all that stuff. But yeah, it's good that we at least closed above 42K on the weekly for the continued uptrend of this bull market that we're in. Even though I think people were saying we're in a bear market, I think we were just in a bearish trend. I don't think we're going to ever go back to the long 2, 3, 4 year bear markets. I think we're just going to have these mini bear trends that last maybe 3, 4 months after we pump. So that's just my opinion. Kevin Swenson, weekly close update. So he's saying that the Heiken Ashley candles are signaling a reversal, which is absolutely sensational. Too bad I couldn't have Six Fig on here to go over a little bit of Bitcoin TA. Matthew Highland, Bitcoin daily super trend is flipping green. Needed to close green. This is not the 3-day super trend that he's been discussing in the past. That was at 6:27 p.m. Eastern today, but he came back on and it was confirmed. So someone said, is this the 3-day super trend you've been discussing? No, it's the 1-day. Not as reliable, but not bad either. So that's another bullish indicator that's flipping green after we've been in the red zone for a while. And then last, for Bitcoin price action, Tech Dev said that confirmed a reversal bar on Bitcoin on the weekly with the following candle closing higher, indicator by Trading Alpha. They said the weekly hike in Ashy turned green and the daily super trend is green. So just a couple indicators, technical analysis, just showing that, Bitcoin's reversing, and you guys have obviously been noticing that the rest of the market is continuing behind it. Baroness, what's up? I don't even know what I'm reading. What are you guys talking about? Okay. Yeah, you guys can have your own conversation in the comments. I'll just keep going. All right. So smash that thumbs up button if you guys are, just joining and whatnot. Helps with the algorithm. Drop a comment. Feel free to talk about whatever you guys want. Helps with the algorithm if you want to. I don't really care. All right. So Gala Gaming. I talked about this, made a video yesterday, went live. Maybe something I'll start doing on the weekends, just instead of just actually recording a video and whatnot, just go live and just talk about, market news and updates and whatever is on my mind that day. But yeah, Gala's up 51% yesterday, and it's down 5.5%. We're sitting at about 31 cents right now. 24-hour trading volume is 2 billion. Total market cap's about 2.3 billion. It does have a total max supply of 50 billion, total supply 36 billion, and a circulating supply of 7.5 billion. So you guys can see here, I think what's all-time high is about 71 cents or so, and just been in a downtrend. So it's just obviously a technical analysis. It was in a downward trend, and we eventually broke out. I do expect it probably go down to around 29 cents. Some of the technical analysis that I was looking at and what people were saying. So, I mean, I'm not surprised. But long term, I think Gala's going to do pretty good. You know, you got all those other gaming coins out there. You got Sandbox, you got Decentraland, but that's kind of like just their own games. Whereas you have Gala is kind of like a node network of gaming where you can actually buy a node contract and build games within it. So here they are, Gala Games. I got about 301,000 followers here on Twitter. They got a Discord. I was messing around with that yesterday. So their Discord is strictly just talking about gaming because when the price skyrocketed yesterday, what people were doing, they were going to the general chat of their Discord talking about, well, what happened with Gala Games? What was there a big announcement or something? And they were like, no. The moderator said, if you want to talk about price action, click on this guy's Discord. I don't know who he was, if he was some just influencer that covers Gala all the time or whatnot, but you can go to that dude's channel. I talked about it in my video yesterday. But yeah, Gala Gaming. So here's their website. They do have 2 in beta right now, which are the ones that I've been messing around with. There's Townstar I messed around with mostly today. Spider Tanks, if you guys follow me on Twitter, you know a little frustration there with that. But definitely here probably in the next week, I'm going to try to get a video out on that and mess around with it. But they have games in development. I didn't check any of them out, so you can't really – they just have like trailers and whatnot that you can look at. But the ones you can actually play beta is Spider Tanks and Townstar. They got The Walking Dead Empires, another one in development, Miranda's Legacy. So they do have a lot of games that are like, you know, in the pipeline, but actually only 2 that I believe that you can actually play. And that's the ones that I'm talking about in the video today is Spider Tanks and Townstar. So first one is Townstar. It's kind of like a Sim City game, but for farming. And it's kind of interesting. Create a productive town and see how you fare against our emerging global champions. So before you guys get into the game, if you are interested, you do have to create an account. You get a seed phrase and everything because, you know, it is a play to earn game. They do have a coin called Townstar coin right now. It is down about 12.9%. This is the in-game tokens that you can use to buy, you know, things within the game and whatnot. So I don't think you can get any right. I think, well, obviously you can get some on the blockchain right now, but within the game, I don't think you can actually earn it. So you set up your account, you get your seed phrases, write it down, whatever, save it, and then you can, you know, jump into the game. So we'll jump in here live right now. Season 1 is free, so I don't know if you're gonna have to pay to eventually, you know, play the game in the future or whatnot. But it's interesting. I mean, welcome Crypto Airborne. Let's go. So when you first get into the game, it's kind of like a map of the world. And you think about like Decentraland, or you think about Sandbox where you get plots. Actually, let me mute the music here so I don't. Let's see. I guess you can't. That's weird. But anyway, there's a world map, and each one of these like places is a person. So like I'm at in like Pennsylvania, I think. I don't really know exactly if you pick a certain location, if it has any effect within the actual game itself, but I'm right here. This is my little area, Crypto Airborne City here. So if you guys do join, there's some open spots up here and whatnot. But I was looking for like cool areas like Florida, but obviously I'm late to the game here, and you can see all over the world, just like where people are at, like pretty much all Europe's is already taken. You got Africa, the desert. There's like a couple random people here, but like in the popular areas within the world, they're already taken. Like Dubai, I think Dubai's right here. It's all taken, but it's kind of cool. Like you can zoom in and see. I don't think you can actually pick Dubai. It just says Dubai here, but yeah, you can click on like each one. It tells you the name of the person, and that's like their game rewards and coins or whatever, their stats. So anyway, so let's get back to Crypto Airborne City here, here in about Pennsylvania. But I've been messing around with it today. This will take me into my actual game. So the graphics, you know, they're okay. I mean, nothing fancy. But it's like I said, it's like SimCity. You create your own farm. You can you got to harvest lumber, oil. You can have winery fields of like grapes and whatnot. Let's see. So if like I have people harvesting all this stuff for me, but if you like wanted to build something, what you can do is you just click on your pasture, whatever, and then you'll click on this thing here. And they break it down by like your farm, your ranch, the terrain, industrial, trade. But there's like different things you can build. You can build chicken coops, feed mills, milk barns. But Baroness will like this game. Cabernet vines, what else? Peppermint fields, salt fields. So there's just a bunch of different things that you can build on your farm and whatnot and harvest it. So I still got to do a little bit of research. Like I said, I just was messing around with it today, building some things, like how you actually get the play to earn game tokens or whatever. But they do have a marketplace here. So this is where you can get your NFTs and whatnot. So FarmBot looks like crafting coming soon. Crane bots, different items, skins, sets. So like I said, this is all beta right now. But let's just check out their NFTs here. So this will take you to the Gala marketplace and whatnot. But they have, different rarities, kind of like NFTs, commons, uncommons, and rares. And then this is their Town Star coins, how much it costs. So like you can buy a water tank, 1,558. There's just a whole bunch of different things that you can buy as NFTs. But that's the cool thing about this is that you buy it, you actually earn it, and maybe you get something rare. The game takes off, the price goes up. You could sell these out on their market or whatever. So it's kind of cool. I was messing around with it. But yeah, this is kind of like the whole concept with play to earn and whatnot is like the NFTs. And then you can also buy things within the game. Just jumping back into it real quick. It's kind of cool. Like when you go back to the world map, you can see different, I don't know if people bought NFTs of like bulldozers or let me just show you guys. So if I go back to the world, you can sometimes like see like, what's this trophy? I don't know what that is, but like, let's see, is this New York City? I'm assuming. Yeah. Let's check out over the water, over the pond here. Okay, yeah. So this I was talking about. Like, I don't know what these things are. It's like, well, this is the Gecko Town, but these things that are moving around, there's like a few of them within the world map here. Strike it. Let's go over to Australia and see. Yeah, pretty much all the populated places looks like they've already been taken. You do have some New Zealand places that looks like you can build on and whatnot. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I just, like I said, I was messing around with it today. It seems pretty interesting. Still in beta version. Play to earn game. You can get NFTs. They do have their own coin. Total supply is only 146 million. I don't know how many circulating market cap or what. They don't have any of that data here in CoinGecko. So, but yeah, this is the first game that I was checking out today. It seems pretty interesting and whatnot. Definitely, you guys check it out. What is this? Spider tanks. Okay, spider tanks. So I'll go into the next game, but let me just check the comments real quick. How well do these games run on non-gaming older laptops? That's a great question. I'm not sure. I do have a pretty decent gaming PC, so I was running the highest, settings and whatnot. I haven't had any issues, and the graphics aren't the greatest and whatnot. So I'm assuming if it's not too old, it should be able to handle it. You always can, put the settings down to medium or low or whatever they have there in the advanced setting that you can look at. But yeah, next game. All right, so Spider Tanks. So this game I actually didn't get a chance to play, which is kind of frustrating. I could if I wanted to, but gas fees to get the Gala coin obviously was like $150. So someone actually I think commented on my tweet today and was saying that $150 to beta test this Spider Tanks game. But it looks pretty cool. I'll play some of the footage here. It's a player versus player brawler developed by award-winning Netherlands-based game media. Players choose between a number of tank bodies and weapons in the garage, then battle it in one of the many Spider Tank Arena maps. Spider Tank's free to play, but also incorporates a variety of play to earn mechanics centering around skill-based competition, resource collection, and a player-driven upgrade cycle. Whether you want to play with a small group of close friends or test your skill in high-stakes competition, Spider Tanks will be the worldwide play-to-earn esport for you. Purchase fully tradable weapons, tanks, bodies in the Spider Tank store for advantages to the upgrade cycle, rarity heads, starts, and more coming in 2022. So you guys see it. It looks pretty cool. Actually looks like a little bit better graphics than some of the metaverse games that are out there, like Decentraland and Sandbox. But I don't know. I think that's just kind of like the style of those games. It's kind of like the Minecraft and whatnot. So anyway, so this one isn't a web-based game, like where you play it in the web browser like Townstar. This one you actually had to download it. So I downloaded it, installed it on my computer. I don't know why this is weird. So I don't know why it's having me install it again. But anyway, it's going to do it. But anyway, I installed it, opened it up. You have to have two different things in order to play this game for beta. You have to have a weapon and you have to have a tank top. So you have to buy these, and it costs, 500. I was looking for the cheapest one just because I wanted to play it. 531 Gala. So it's like $10 or something like that when you do the math if you buy one of the cheapest ones to get one of the tanks, but then you got to get a weapon. So you have to buy two of these. It'll go into your wallet, and then when you open it up, you'll verify it on the blockchain, and then it'll enable you to play the game. So I wasn't able to get into it. Like I said, later this week, I definitely want to get into it. But again, this is play to earn. They have their different rarities, just like NFTs. You get your common, your uncommon, your legendary, and ancients. Like, let's take a look. 30,000 Gala. So they're just like different weapons, I guess, that you can get, and they have different things that you can do. Repair artillery shells can be fired at your allies. Ancient weapon comes perfectly upgraded level 28. So it's like, it seems like a whole game within its own, like play to earn, but it looks pretty cool. Like I said, here's their website. Just going over it real quick. Play to earn. Spider Tanks is free. Uses cutting edge blockchain technology. Unlocks every player's power to earn. Different strategies. In the heat of battle, strategies, everything. Spider Tanks loading is with different game modes, allowing your team to work together to outsmart and outgun the competition. So let's see. Let's just check different weapons. Sniper rifle, cannons, lava launchers, shotguns. So this, like I said, you got to have the gun and then the body, or the weapon and then the body in order to play, which this will create your spider or whatever. But yeah, I want to get into it. It looks pretty fun. I have, I was a big gamer back in the day, but with all this new play to earn and crypto and combining all this stuff, I'm definitely going to be probably come out with a little bit more videos about this blockchain, metaverse gaming and whatnot. I already did this. I don't know why I don't want to install it. But anyway, let's see. All right. That's pretty much it, guys. Those are just the two games that I was talking about. Definitely check them out. Where's it playing right now? Oh, okay, here it is. So I guess it loaded already. But here's what happened when I installed it. It said, for early access to Spider Tank's gameplay, players must own at least one completed tank, which includes both a body and a weapon. So I can't actually get into the game. You can see in the backdrop, it'll just say retry, go to the store, and that'll take you to the website. It'll take you over here to download it or to buy it or whatever. All right, let me close that out. Probably get hit with the copyright strike because of the music, but whatever. All right. I think that's all I got for you guys today. Yeah, hit that like button if you want to. Subscribe or consider subscribing if you aren't. And yeah, happy Sunday night. Back to the grind tomorrow. I don't know. I don't really have much plans. I'm just looking forward to seeing where the markets are going to open up. And as a whole, the market, I think we're heading, up to the next leg, or we're heading up to the next second of the market section of the market. I'm a little tired, guys, too, man. I'm probably going to head to bed here soon. Maybe I'll jump on the Oculus. I'm not too sure. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy it. Have a great rest of your night. Crypto Airborne.